Just friend, but are you saying? Said as another look.
A Justin Bieber song with a Pakistani flair.
My first time, we never like baby, 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 oh, like baby.
Sania and Muqaddas are practicing their favorite tune.
Baby, baby, oh.
No use shaking to you, waking from this bed, waking from this bed, waking from this bed.
They barely speak any English, so they transcribe the words into Urdu. More for fun than anything else. But then this happened. This amateur video shot on the streets of Punjab didn't take long to go viral, and the sisters are now known as the Justin Biebis.
We've been singing since we were very young. We love Justin Bieber songs because they touch our hearts. When we heard Baby, we started dancing and jumping around, and we just lost ourselves to it.
You know, when I heard the song, I forgot to eat or drink. I was just listening. I kept practicing and practicing until I learnt it by heart.
Since then, the girls have had a taste of the spotlight, with live performances and the all-important makeover. The teenage sisters don't go to school. They normally help out with the housework. So this newfound fame is a big change from life in their poor neighborhood.
We really didn't expect all of this to happen to us. Because of this video, we got on a plane for the first time and we'd been on TV. That's always been our dream. We had our hair and makeup done. All of it was like magic. So who knows what will happen next?
Well, this just shows you how popular Sania and Muqaddas are becoming. This isn't exactly center stage, it's the roof of their house, and this is where they like to come to practice. But people in this very poor neighborhood of Lahore have come up to hear them sing, and it's this kind of attention, the girls are telling me, they're still trying to get used to.
I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart.
The sisters hope to travel the world if they ever make it big. Their first stop, they say, will be to visit Justin Bieber. Shaima Khalil, BBC News, Lahore.